What's the date today?
July 11th.
July 11th. Okay. Tuesday morning. Just leaving Bradenton for Clearwater Yacht Club. And the only place that's raining in the state of Florida is Clearwater and north of there. But hopefully it'll just stay to the north side of us. So I think we're going to go up the Intracoastal inside because, you know, with the squall lines out there and stuff, it might get a little choppy. So we'll just get up there after lunch, I guess, or have a late lunch when we get there. If we go up the outside, it's 36 nautical miles, but the inside, I don't know what the difference is.